Hi guys, it's the next day. I forgot to end this video, but that was pretty much it. I didn't show that me and Nathan shared a mini Cinnabon since we were at Schlotzsky's. It was so good. It was literally like just 2 bites worth. It was so small, and it was like 150 calories. Like cutting it in half. But yeah, we were just like, man, it sounds so good. And at first I was like, no, let's not do it. But then I was like, why not? Like, I have the calories. And yeah, so we shared a little mini Cinnabon. It was so good. But I ended the day under my calories, so whatever. That's the only thing I didn't show because it was just like last minute before we left. And I think that's everything. I didn't talk too much in this video, but I hope you guys got some inspiration from my meals and basically what I eat when I eat out. I try to keep it simple, but yeah, that wasn't planned to eat out all day. I jinxed myself the night before. I literally said, while we were like going to bed, I was like, I'm so impressed with how we've actually stuck to our meal plan this week. And I was like, why did I say that? Jinxed myself. But still kept it within my calories. So yeah, I hope you guys got something out of this. Let me know down below if you did. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 300. I'm at 293 as of right now. 293 subscribers. I'm really trying to get to 300 by the end of the year. So let's see if we can make that happen. Well, I don't know. But let me know down below what you think. Thanks.